Hi, I am Pieter Abbeel. I am a professor at UC Berkeley, where I do research and teaching in artificial intelligence and robotics. I'm also co-founder of a company called Covariant, where we bring AI robotics into the real world. And today, I'm really excited to share with you my thoughts on how we can bring AI beyond pattern recognition, how we could go from the inference that's done today to action in the real world. Now, to make sure we're all on the same page, let's start in a place we're all very familiar with, image recognition. So in today's world, if you're asked to build an image recognition system, there's kind of the standard path forward is you collect data, you collect some images of cats, dogs, cars, let's say, and you know what's in each image. And then you feed those images into a large neural network. And the neural network then gets trained from these examples to learn to recognize the pattern of what it means to be a cat, a dog, or a car. And then, of course, the amazing thing is that it doesn't just memorize the images you've shown it, it also is able to recognize cats, dogs, cars into new images it's never seen before. Now, this is not just recognition of what's in an image. Same thing applies for image segmentation, for example, very relevant for self-driving cars, face recognition. You can even train a network to take in an image and output a whole sentence about an image. You can train neural nets to recognize images that are not very natural at all, like X-ray images. And under the hood, really, what's been happening is a change in programming paradigm. We used to program by writing lines of code, if, then, else statements, and so forth. Now, programming that way, of course, has its benefits, but in terms of AI applications like computer vision, hard coding solutions that way just hasn't really worked. For AI applications, what's been the dominant paradigm is to actually do deep learning, train very large neural networks from data, and then the neural network effectively becomes the program. You give it data. By giving it the data, you change the weights in the network, you change how it's wired, and as a consequence, it now contains the program that you want it to contain. And some people call this software 2.0, indicating that now there's a whole new style of programming where we program by data collection and data feeding into a network rather than writing lines of code. And this actually has been working really, really well.